How to install Nvidia drivers in Windows 11. The simple step of updating and installing Nvidia drivers in Windows 11 is to have a GeForce Experience on your device. If you already have a GeForce Experience, the only thing that you got to do is open up the GeForce Experience and go to drivers, and in this section you will be able to see the drivers that are ready to update and to be installed. But if you don't have GeForce Experience on your device, you can simply go to browser and search for download GeForce Experience, and on the first you can see Nvidia's download GeForce Experience tab. After you open it, you will be guided to this tab, and from here select download now, and .exe file will be downloaded, and make sure to follow the procedures and the GeForce Experience will be downloaded in your PC. For that, you can download and update or install Nvidia drivers in Windows 11 from GeForce Experience. But if you want to do it manually, the next option is to go to your browser again and search for Nvidia graphics driver. And on the first, you can see Nvidia driver downloads. Open up the tab, and from here select the product type, product series, the product, and select your operating system. And after that, click on search, and here you can see the game ready driver is here, and this is what I want to download it for now. Click on download, and after that you can install the Nvidia drivers manually. So this is how you install Nvidia drivers on Windows 11.